Eight, seven, six, five, four, three, two, one! Now! Ayan na, kailangan na ang mga Philippines. Hello, may wings, gid saya. Yes! My favorite one, Kate Farah, together with the Philippine here. And sir, do wala ka din nagsala. Sir, may gamit kitang ilang mga fur babies.
Oh, so it's alright. Well,
Yes, it's alright. Of course. For as long as you enjoy kita together with our fur babies, it's another fun man as a fur parent.
Yes, thank you so much again to our sponsors and to our partners for the Protection Run 2025. We will be back shortly
Yes.
once ang aton yung mga runners. So thank you. Good morning.
And have a good run, everybody. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. Say arf arf. I want to hear you say arf arf. Can we hear like meow meow? Okay, I think most of us here has our dogs with us. Good morning, this is Pai, and this is my dog Atina. And behind me is the team, all the volunteers from Bach Project. Let's give them a round of applause. And thank you so much for everyone for joining today. The Perfection Run today is a fundraising and dedicated to Bach Project. And we really appreciate your support. And we also want to inform everybody that any kind of support na ginahatag ninyo sa Bach Project, appreciated ginagamo tanan. As you can see, we have dogs here with us. We have the famous TikTok. Ang nakakilala sa inyo si TikTok. This is TikTok. TikTok is a victim of animal cruelty, and she is the dog that has been targeted for 5 injured targets. So TikTok apparently is sad to say she lost her babies after sa iyang recoveries because we did not know na nagpusong si TikTok. And right now, TikTok is rehabilitated at Back Project Shelter in Granada, that is Barangay Malabag. So, of course, we'd like to invite everybody also to come by and pass by at our shelter para makita yung pag-gain ng amon ng mga rescues. And aside from TikTok here with us, we have Chichay. So this is Chichay. Chichay is actually a lengthy siya nga buligan, halin siya sa isa ka shelter. Ang upod niya si Lilo. Si Lilo anak man subong sa shelter namon. And we have Luna Lina, and this is the little girl. So she is also found sa Talansang Sugarcane, Pakatto sa Granada. And we also have, what's her name again? Sisi. Oh, this is Sisi. Ang ala sa cartwheel namon lang, kaya hindi na siya kalakad. Ito si Sisi is paraplegic. So, in Back Project Shelter, damo kami actually paraplegic ng mga ito, and we have a special place sa shelter namon, kaya ginapalakad-lakad binasa namon dito. So this is the thing at the shelter. We merely and we want to ask your continuous support na buligan yung kami perme, because we have a party right now in total together with the dog, with the cats. We have 200 more or less animals at our shelter. So kinahanglan ginamo ng inyong abulig, any small amount kay sending nyo sa among Gcash, PayPal, or you can also donate dog food or cat food. And I'd like to invite everybody also to please find time to visit the shelter of Back Project para at least makabanding na kamo sa among mga rescues. So, for this kind of event already, this is already an awesome thing for us. This is a very big thing for us. Big deal din niya sa amon niya, na kami ang pinatagaan sa sponsor sa anime event nga ginahatan ninyo sa amon ang iyang proceeds. So salamat kid sa inyo nga tanan. I think Lasal is the one who's organizing this. Oh, which one? Sorry? Athlete Run, I'm sorry. Athlete Run. So, palakpakan nato ng Athlete Run tungkol sa ilan at abo ini ang atog na perfection run nato. So, I hope na mo pagig kami nga ma-sponsor mapatong halimman sa ila. Once again, sila niya ang abon ng ambassador. This is Luna, by the way. Luna, come here. Can you come please, baby girl? Luna is a victim of mid-grade. Tutaya ni siya ihawon sa silay. Ginbakal na lang ni siya namon, kaya kung hindi siya namon pagbaklon, ihaw kita ni si Luna. And we all know naman dito sa Negros, rampad kita ang mid-grade. Now, we would like to request everybody to please advocate if you have witnessed an animal cruelty, animal neglect, irresponsible pet ownership. Please do step up by saying something and talk to these people na para hindi naman tayo ng ilang na bad intentions. We all know that we have a lot of strays here. That's why ang City Mayor's Office natin together with ang ating na Bacolod City Vet and all of the NGOs active din sa Bacolod, pinapush yun naman ang spaying and neutering. And also, hindi natin pagalitan ang pag-adapt sa ating mga asthmas kag rescue. Damo kang kami actually nga yung pag-rescue nga may mga breed. In fact, we have Belgian Malinois, we have Labrador, we have mix. Damo kami actually, hindi lang asthma na pina-rescue naman, but ang mga kuring also. We have lots of cats in the shelter. Tapos sino sa inyo ang mahilig sa kuring, masadyahan ko makalbo dito kaya mga sweet sa namon na kuring. We have a special place for our cat. Kaya kami cat tree house nila to ang namon, makabanding kamo dito. So we hope to see you again, and for more future event dito sa Negros, please do not forget to choose Back Project. E kinanglan din na wala inyong magulit. Kaya nga, sustaining a shelter is not easy for us, but with your support and your kindness and generosity, anything is possible for the voiceless animals. So we are here to step up for them. Then we became the voice for this voiceless animal. Thank you so much. Kag ayong aga sa inyo tanan.
Thank you so much.